The Bella Vista RV family truly cares about you and your home away from home. We carry and service a vast selection of top-quality trailers and motorhomes that will fit every lifestyle and every budget. Visit us online to see Bruno's ever-popular RV walkthrough videos.
Ceramic tiles throughout.
We're 10 minutes north of Barrie on Highway 11.
Hi, this is Bruno from Bella Vista RV. Today we're going to take a look. This is a new arrival, a trade-in. This is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Now it's black paint on black leather, and this being the Trailhawk edition has a number of items that are optioned in or are standards that many of the other models you would have to pay extra for. Let's take a look at this Trailhawk. Now it does have approximately 93,000 kilometers on it. Tires are in great shape. As we take you up to look close, you'll notice there's lots of groove and tread wear left on it itself. They have an aluminum with black painted accents on the rims. And then of course for a full black paint, you have nice body side clad moldings. And of course this Trailhawk is an all-wheel drive unit, which I'll point out some of those features when we hop inside. Just an overall beautiful profile. Now this also has the factory tow package. So you do have the receiver. It does give you bigger cooling. And of course, being a Trailhawk, you're going to have the red tow hooks here if they're ever needed. We do have backup camera, which is right here. And let's take a look at our storage area in the back. Now this unit is fully equipped with Weathertech mats. So we have our rear mat here. You'll notice really good storage space, and it's a 60-40 split combination seat for our second row, and that will fold flat. Now what we also have underneath the Weathertech mat, we can lift up here and we actually have our spare tire. And then on the side we actually have some storage bins, but we also have this little rail, and you'll notice these little hangers here. These are actually shopping bag hangers. You can put the handle of your shopping bags there and it'll just hold them up. Really nice feature. There are some tie downs in the back here as well. And then on this side we do have another bin as well. Now that's the storage area. Let's take a look at our rear passenger compartment. You'll notice it's a nice large opening. There's actually good space to get in and out. We have leather seats throughout. There's our center armrest with cup holders. And I'm just gonna hop in here, point out a couple of other items. You'll notice we have rear heating vents. And when we look down at my knees, I'm about 5'8", 5'9". You'll notice there's good space here for sitting. So you can sit 3 people pretty comfortably back here. And getting in and out is nice and easy with the large doors. Now when we get into our main driver's area, you're going to notice a nice appointment to detail. So you're going to notice red stitching on the doors, red stitching on our leather seats. Of course the seats are marked Trailhawk, being a Trailhawk edition. Now our front seats are heated, as well as our steering wheel. You have steering wheel controls here, and automatic lights. Of course you have your hands-free command of your phone, and then we do have an information center. So I'm going to put this here so that you can see a little closer look. We'll give that door a good close, and what you'll notice is we have a center digital dash that will tell us our engine temperature as well as our fuel, and then our mileage. On the right is our RPM gauge and our speedo, but you can get the speed in digital format right in front of you. Now when we hit the up or down buttons, you'll notice that the screen changes. So we can go from speedometer to vehicle information. And we have a number of settings here. We do have tire pressure monitors, so that's going to give us our air pressures on our tires. We can look at coolant temperature. We can look at our transmission temperature, our oil temperature. There's our engine oil life. Because this vehicle has just had a brand new oil change. Of course, our battery voltage, and then back to our vehicle information. Now we can look down at fuel economy. We can actually then go over to our trip information. You'll have automatic start stop, which is a nice feature. So as you roll up to a stop sign or a stoplight, the engine will turn off, conserving some fuel. You can actually turn that off if you prefer not to have that running. Of course, our audio, it's showing we've muted the music right now. And then there's a stored information center. So if there are messages coming through, they'll be stored there. Our screen setup, and then we're back to speedometer. In our center console, we have a large 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen. So you can see here our heating is set up right now. If you tap for heated seats, you can set passenger and driver's seats, high or low setting, our heated steering, and you can go back. Now, down below, we have several manual controls, so the volume and tune for your radio, as well as the fan speed, temperatures up and down, and of course, turning on your air conditioners, your defrosters. Now, as we come down, this is an automatic transmission. It's a 9-speed, but you can also switch it over to manual mode and shift like a manual. But what's interesting about the Trailhawk is we have our shifter here for our all-wheel drive modes. So this is an all-time all-wheel drive. You can see it's currently set in automatic, so it's going to apply power as it needs it front and back. You can switch it over to a snow mode, put it over to sports mode, which will actually hold back RPMs, give you a quicker throttle response, also a throatier sound in the mufflers. You can then jump down to sand and mud and even rock. So if you want to go out and do some off-road, some light rock climbing, this is your modes to do that. Now the rock mode, you'll need to throw it into 4-wheel drive low, and all of this can be achieved simply by quick turn of the button, and you notice our mode is switched over. We also have hill descent here, which can be set if you're doing a lot of hills. Now the Trailhawk has actually been engineered to be that off-road SUV. So I'm going to hop out so you can look at an exterior look at it. What Jeep has done is, because its history has been more off-road, they've actually taken the Trailhawk edition. It's raised a little bit higher than a standard Cherokee. You have yourself 17-inch tires, and underneath you do get some skid plates. And it's actually been designed to take it off-road, where we see so many of these sports utilities, and they're just really grocery getters for running around town. They've actually developed this and tested it to go off-road, more mud situations, as you see a little bit of rock climbing. It's for that adventurer. So if you're looking for a grocery getter, you know, a great SUV that'll run you around, get groceries, run all your errands, take you to work, but you want to be able to get off the beaten path from time to time, go do a little bit of off-roading, you know, have some fun. This Trailhawk can actually be a great little addition to your family to be able to do that. Has a really nice profile out front, as well as, you know, driving lights and fog lights out front, LED marker lights, our tow hooks if we do happen to get ourselves a little bit too deep into trouble while we're out having fun. This unit is available here at Bella Vista currently for sale in really great condition, being sold fully certified. For information, visit our website at www.bellavistarv.com. and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the like button. Feel free to subscribe. You'll be notified of new RVs, cars, trucks that happen to become available here at Bella Vista RV. Thanks, and take care.